You want to lose weight and have heard of diet pills but are perhaps little hesitant about using them. Here are a few things to consider. Most programs for weight loss have really strict regimes and strenuous activities, and for this reason a lot of people prefer to opt for some other alternative without having to go through the effort of exerting themselves too much. So, it can easily be understood how diet pills, with their promises of simply melting away your cellulite and fat in a jiffy, appeals to most people, and they are strongly tempted to resort to these pills. When there is such an easy method of losing weight, who would want to go through the effort of building biceps and abs through exercise and diet? Today, 60% of Americans are said to be obese. It is no surprise then, how the manufacturers of these wonder drugs target this population. In the US alone, these companies are earning millions of dollars. There are many questions. Are the manufacturers' claims about their drug being able to help in weight loss true? How affecting are these drugs in actually making people lose weight? Suppose it is true, do these drugs help in the maintenance of the ideal weight and prevent future weight gain? It is true that there exist diet pills that make people shed extra pounds. They contain many substances that have been scientifically and clinically proven to show results. The diet pill functions by causing an increase in the body metabolism and thereby causing weight loss. Also, these pills contain substances that can suppress a person's appetite. But with the numerous diet pills in the market today, it is getting tougher to make a right decision about which pill to choose. People mostly lose patience and end up buying the wrong diet pill. How to lose weight with the right food. There are, actually, only 5 things to consider while choosing a diet pill that is effective as well as safe to consume. Below is a list that you might find helpful in choosing a diet pill that's appropriate and right. 1. Metabolism. Boosting ability. Metabolism is your body's ability to burn fat. While looking for a diet pill, it is advisable to choose a pill that has ingredients that increase body metabolism. You might want to choose a pill that has alpha-lipoic acid, L-carnitine, and green tea extracts because all these ingredients have been proven to be clinically effective in increasing weight loss by increasing metabolic rate. 2. Appetite suppressants. Go for appetite-suppressing diet pills. People often think that these pills will make them skip meals. The pill simply stops you from feeling hungry too often. Excess calorie intake is initiated when people take meals at odd hours and in between meals, and this leads to obesity. 3. The calorie stopper. Obesity is caused when more than the recommended amounts of calorie are consumed in excess, and hence it is important to choose diet pills that have substances that can curb calorie intake into the body. These ingredients are called Phaseolus vulgaris. This creates an enzyme that can efficiently control excess calories from entering the body. The enzyme in question is called alpha amylase. 4. Metabolic enhancers. The best diet pills are those that have lipotropic elements that are known to eliminate fat from the body. It functions somewhat similar to a sweeper that sweeps away the excess fat from the how to lose weight. With the right food. Body. Lipotropic elements are present in vitamin C, green tea extracts, alpha-lipoic acid and chitosan. 5. Water retention breaker. Diet pills that contain diuretics are supposed to be very effective. During the weight loss program, it is these elements that avert water retention in the body. All these factors are effective in weight loss and are clinically proven. But it is not enough to take diet pills to lose weight. Exercise is still very important. Hence, with the correct diet pill and exercise, you are definitely headed to a slimmer and healthier life.